log in. You go here, go to put your password in, put your email and password, or you can use the Google version too. And then you log in. I was saved, so I have it. And then you go to home. I'm going to guide you through how this works, right? Live sessions, if you want to attend the live sessions here, then it's going to come on. That's why I said live sessions. So you see this? This is the other stuff that starts covering, and the topics for us newers, for us, anybody who's new. You go to past sessions, you go to any, and this is the four intensives. Start cover on YouTube too, okay? On youtube.com. Then here it's personal, right? Nahu Surf, Reader, Balaga Intensive, Advanced Nahu, Surah Mulk Breakdown, Advanced Structures, Reader Recaps, and now Surah Yusuf Translation, okay? Intensive. This is intensive too. If you're looking for study materials, you go to this column, basically in this box. This is the green textbook. This is the quiz, the exam from the 4 intensives we did, remember? The intensive 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the exam. I can show it to you like that if you remember. Cut this off. It's a textbook. Again, I'm going to show you. Green textbook like we're going to use for the Nahu version. The Ustad's going to use. We'll use. This is the answer sheet. I don't know how correct this is, but we have a funny joke. But I know it's correct. I'm just kidding. You'll find out. Okay. Then this is the workbook we used for the intensives. The Nahu book, Nahu key. It's the workbooks, guys. Okay. I don't know what is this. Let's check. Forgot. Yeah, it's the fundamentals keys PDF. It's the reader one. These are all the work you can find. You have to scan through. I can't go through everything, but it's gonna take a long time. You guys are gonna say why she's boring us. So this is all the work we have. If you can't find anything, right, you just go to the Facebook page we have, the bayyinah student page. I'm a student. You guys are a student. You can go there and find it over there. Just put a post, or see my channel on how to use the search engine on Facebook. If you don't know how to, you can just search, for example, Surah Munafiqun, or the notes on that. Those people share notes, right? So that's how it works. I don't know what calendar is for. I'm not going to tell you about that. And you log off. That's all. It's cool, right? Have a great day. Bye-bye. Fi man Allah.